Hello, good morning. This is the next day, so I'm going out for breakfast because it's 8:42 a.m. So guys, it's been, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say because I don't even know how I slept like this. Did you know that I was dreaming that it was already 12? Yeah. I dreamt that it was already 12 p.m. Like 12 noon. So all my plans of going out and everything is shattered, not shattered. So I'm gonna figure out again. So I'm gonna get my breakfast and I'm waiting because they're going to send us, what's it called, pick up time. So when I finish eating, I'll go down, I'll come upstairs and sleep until like 11 or 11:30. Then I wake up to do my makeup. So yeah. Oh, by the way, you see my beautiful sleeve. Let me show you guys. I don't even see anything. Yeah, my colleague is already downstairs. I'm downstairs. We're done with our meal and we're going back to our room to get sleep. Yes, we must sleep, very important. The important part of every day is to sleep. Vacation is over.
Ground floor. Doors open.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Guys, I'm back here in Lagos. See how my makeup is just everywhere. The Mary Kay has moved from Mary to Kay. Anyway, I'm going back to the ramp. I'm going to have my colleague to drop this for her. She is doing Abuja night stuff actually, not carrying. Jesus, see my makeup. Scary. So yeah, so I'm going to do the ramp to go and give it to her because she didn't have anything to wear. See, by her cabin crew. Anyways, I'll also end the vlog because I've tried this yesterday. I need to clean up this makeup. It's making me look somehow. This, I want to give something. One of, see her. I need to give her.
You're such a darling. You're such a darling.
I'm showing the face
you
of
want from me, I'll give it to you. Just
thank God it's on camera.
Don't tell me.
Thank God it's on camera.
Anything you want, I'll give it to you. Oh my.
Hello guys, how are you guys doing? So sorry I didn't take you guys along with me when I came here. This should be like after 10 or so. So I'm in Lagos. I got into the hotel and you know, I checked in, dropped my bag, changed, I come out, and I just come back. And then I remember saying, hey, and when they do vlog before, I don't forget to see how my face is. I didn't even clean. Remember when I said I was going to clean up my face immediately I get to my room? So yeah, this is a different room. This thing doesn't look good. Yeah, so this is a different room actually. So so yeah, came back and I was talking to, come on, this one. I was talking to one of my auntie. I call her Auntie Ivy. She was my lecturer in when I was in the uni, and we've been friends like ever since. So like she, you know, we get to talk once in a while, but once we start talking it's like for hours. So I had to cut her call because I just remembered that I was vlogging, so I needed to, like, you know, keep you guys updated. So I think this is where I'm going to end my vlog. So let us do a rewind. First of all, we're cleaning this. Oh, I'm listening to my lipstick, my nails. So let us, you know, do like a review of what happened. So I had a night stuff yesterday. I think using pigeon is going to be good. So yesterday again I stopped to go Abuja. So my flights yesterday now, one sector, and reporting time was for 4:50, and they changed it to 6:10. Then they added 2 more sector, which was Kano, then Kano back to Abuja. We were doing Lagos, Abuja, Abuja, Kano, Kano, Abuja. Then after that it took us time. We're just doing back and forth, and then finally board, get our passengers, and we leave. So we got to Abuja today. This is very early this morning, and then went to our hotel, lodged. I was so tired that I didn't even get to talk to you guys or even, you know, see what was going on. But then this morning we went for breakfast. After breakfast I had things I wanted to do. I get like plans of things where I want to do. I won't come out because yesterday be Friday, you know, go clubbing and all those things, but you know, your company will always come true for you. So it came true and I could not do any of that. So after that I went to the room after my breakfast. I said I was going to sleep, but I could not sleep. I was forcing sleep. I was supposed to talk to somebody too. He kept calling me, but my phone was not close to me. Then finally, when I now took my phone, I said, okay, make I check my phone, because if you're awake and you know they with your phone, your body could do it somehow. So, and that's why he sent a message saying that that's you're trying to call me, that he's going to call me later. That's by the way. So after that message, I started to do TikTok. I do TikTok, dance. You can go to my TikTok page and see the nonsense I was doing. I was in that so after that, you know, time, then I made up, dressed up and got ready, went down. Our pickup time was for 1:35. Then I went downstairs. From there we went, our flight was a little bit delayed. We're supposed to go 2:40, but then it came around 3. No, it's supposed to come 2, but it came 2:40. 2:38, sorry, because I remember I was checking it on the radar. And then we did our flights, went to Warri. I saw somebody I knew, like old friend. And then after that, now I'm in my hotel room. And then I started feeling some kind of way when I got here. I wasn't feeling okay. I don't know, I don't know what's wrong with me lately. I've just been having some mood swing. And then I went out, you know, to receive fresh air and to drink. And after that, mosquito did not allow me to rest. So I started coming back to my hotel. So here I am. And I don't know, I said I wanted to just to go. Hey, I forgot to, while I was, you know, I went to the crew lounge. My colleague called me and told me that she forgot that she was doing Abuja night stop. she was doing like a layover in Abuja, like a stop in Abuja, and she did not come with any clothes. So I helped her to get her clothes from her box in the bus room. I went to give her, and yeah, that's what just happened. I believe that's what happened. So now I did here, and I just they're about to end the vlog. So yeah, we've come to the end of the vlog. I don't even have anything to say. I hope, see, look, I don't lie to now. This vlog it's not giving, like it's not giving when I started it. I don't know, by the time I finish editing it, it might be giving, but I don't know, it's just there. So right now, this is like after 10. I'm just going to take my bath, clean my face with the whole wipes, and then I'll sleep. Tomorrow I have a flight. I have Port Harcourt tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm just going to do my flight and then I'll go home because I'm off next tomorrow. So I'm going to Abuja, taking the next flight to Abuja. So yes, people, we've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching to this part. What's all the things you say? Like, share, and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, follow me for more content. If you think I used to give you content, I'm full. Anyways, I don't have any more things to say. Take care, have a good day, enjoy the rest of the weekend.